abna asumdwe kan bibia bokọ de
enka won so asempa
e da ba de ase nyame ne hene
ai na won so e
o nyame ti ase ye kram o waden
ai da wade na se
ya da sorry
bibia ho ye
o say
obia ho ye
obia
ye de rade ase
bibia akoye so ho ye
oh
efie bokọ
nyame na fie bokọ
okay
abusi afo bia ho ye
kofi bokọ de
bokọ na dey
ye vro kofi
bibia bokọ why
kofi bokọ de we say what jafa
me say be the spokesperson
okay
asempa
o say
eno out the see no
adan de ne say
oh enye adenta mpotamu animal CSIR animal farm ho structures be yes or ha
oh yeah
na wo hwe said ya the excavators budu si bu red mu
ya jiragu
asia bansoro
ya jiragu
wa flow ato aso
ya jiragu
aboso
ya jiragu
fact na akoma yare akoma yama nipa binom
I am very sad but because me ka ho bianka enya me de
seriously oh
me ka ho bianka enya me de I am very sad but for the first time honorable Henry Court yembo na baso you see if you betumi enya akokodro sei ni ya demolish all buildings that were waterways enka flooding na yehu ye betumi anya akukudro sei ni ya demolish structures that were high tensions asia enka de yehu akukudro we ni ehia. The man is doing a good job. Yeah, men can that down because ye track no na and count down also a quantity. Yeah. I sympathize with all those because we share buildings are ye jirigu ya. My goodness.
Sika the investment.
Yeah, me cry me trash. Me bato bra Facebook na be share buildings omojirigu ya. Let's come to Facebook.
Yes, yana obebeka sempenyefo no ye omodwuma. And as I was so pitied, you know, university was
look at the buildings.
Just imagine.
I was on Facebook about share. The buildings are mujiragu.
Obiasi said about
now. In fact, it's disheartening. Main count that they are.
You know, and just sempa no baby say e ya so den na why fa. Ana say ye den. Ana say enim sempenyefo e ho mo de o ma no be kan wo mo mfa nya adwuma. Enti emfa ye ho. Various assemblies we jagbawe asase a almost eye demolition enkrofo su enya de ketwa ayi amasaman ganwa simpotable honorable ho so asase a omo ejiri na woni mo eno na me ka say eba ne say na da bia no beka na MC na MC aye bia na sempa ye betumi the MCs na sinchen na ye de focus akwa engineers and building engineers a wo ho no ma aye wo masodie se ba bia wo si da yesi no wouldn't to me no emra ma ho kwanti yem famra na nyadwuma because as an MC 4 years nyame amwa na woko 8 years oko enti wo na wo ye servant na nkase na mo te ho no mo abansesa bia babia o mo ho no no e de na ye ka kire wo mo
yeah well abna no crap but you see bibia started and they with leadership say aban biba no appoint you as MC ya o say wo kwa assembly hwa you are in charge, you take control.
Okay.
Now, say multimedia, egua, yenkase kwesi asempa o. Yebeka, the leaders, more top hono, ejirigu amoso. So they have to make sure, say, all the departments are working. Intina, oko department be your head, and all the heads, they report to a particular person. Inti, ono netina oversee, say, there be the abana ye entwa ye the asempa ye entwa ye mame nya satra ye I say coach oh chale we wabre mame nyini fi me fo bi machine so you as an MC wo ko hwa all the departments eshewase you are supposed to make sure say all the departments are functioning because at the end of the day credit in ba MC in baje and you appointed me MC me na me ba me na my say until the failures no so ba what MC na was here pointing a finger at you
but me be satisfied here ko so na areas are matete say yetimi ko ba bi obi say asumasi awono no eye eba no engineers wo honom na age misika say
yes
and the amount of engineer na je no obedura say so oje 5,000 wo honom a omo ba assembly nkratam na bia ya twa 1,500
exactly
ya twa 2,000
exactly
it is such a person emra bia no honom atimi ni
ma so you the MC there will find it out to say me I recall say ebra Malcolm disaster see yes Malcolm disaster see mekai amoye interrogation there was one day I covered up about say there was one Christian baby obi or organize a press conference a while before the camera see police for monfaning court when they issue permit or you know. You understand? Because at the end of the day, say you will leader. Now when take steps and make sure send your makoswa and go for the deal. Nipa there, uja abramine uti hey. Muja ye be di peche. Na jumanigo. And you know, whoever or issue permit, you as an MC, DC, what's my own crop for that is why sometimes so quite probo. To make sure say who polices the policeman. I can say a Juma yan crofo ye or mu yen ye and as or moon yen ye. The other time I know it's Clement Wilkinson. And I'll bonnet truck car. I will office. Oh, Ukosiano. I could just some bridge in near Hong Kong. Wow. May I want to no bonnet truck car or hono. At the end of the day, say I dare be Biakoswa. Go dear Migaba radio say, yeah, me MC, ye men, but I'll bonnet truck and they won't so Johnny. That is how it is. So let us not blame you are the leader. We will blame you. Now, blame me. But of course.
I was say, Omoko Jessica. Yeah. Emma, a year, a dance for no assurance.
Yeah.
And one more trust to sit down. Some raw one mate when you're media. I was say, you almost set here, be as scapegoat. Now, I serve as deterrent.
In the first place, CSIR assassin. A ban is saying that individuals say, go sit down. So who gave them the go ahead say sit down CSIR assassin so and
I permit say one of our technical advisors nebako ekasa ya what say be my almost so yes so the perception no so aban dey say who sit down na kodru lento kra wo boss dia aban ain't be
yeah and you know I was say we see
now what shall say na kita be 1,000 acres. Na
my goodness, she dine with my she dine with your mujiregu. Look at that. Plus building, she dine with ye jiregu.
It was sudden way be motimu say, when you say about to be new, and I would to be into the beam almost sitting them and reported by some of the langas the sister dino. Ya some of the langas in the sea. Na langa na be kwakwatu no no. E tuo ne nioma ehye ne ho no kwampo wonni ano na ade akokasa.
You see.
Enti no I don't know so we can say we are right oh.
Tada ya me reho. I sit here always and me me can always me can the attitude of the people of Makosidan. Eh adena broni krom langas anyho. Why? Adena broni krom langas anyho. Adena wo be call London wako UK mo amoti amanone. Adena langas anyho. Another moment Yanipana. Langas bet me alcohol. But you see, the system is designed such that langas ain't to mean ba. Because BBI pepe. But then the attitude of the people, attitude. Who jamia Messi die was studio hard them.
For your home rabbi. What's he saying?
Oh jamia Messi die was studio hard them because Miami coffee at traffic and me dim me bre. Attitude of the people. And the attitude of the people in a camera say boha. Sure. Because you say your attitude da look who jam your console we mefa e dia coffee. So question knows, can answer knows, Abu knows, Tigo knows, and you the measures at all to check the attitude of the people. Yeah, okay. Honorable Henry Cotter, the Greater Accra Regional Minister, joining here. Honorable T and Castle drink count. Yeah, maybe about the T on Kacha Accra. Now, honorable, may patrol, may I tell you, Kakra, but I say now all of a sudden, CSIR, SASI, and who about my demolition was he?
Michelle, for you. One more, Facebook, no, exercise video, when I do feel I'm always on the moon to be TV. The chairman, CSR, Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, otherwise known as Animal Research, work for Adom. In 1976, and Abane used to the firm executive instrument effective 8. And normally acquire over 1,300 acres plus. Over the last decade or two, and conform and sustain the SCC advance. Now, almost in the and yes, CCS are for extra. One more to my don't wait. Omukwa, to say, only a judgment, no Pishakoya counter judgment. To the extent said, Omube Hono, now associate over 1,300 acres. Nipa is here dying on over 900 acres of the land.
900 out of the 1,300.
Yes. And my church of Kakariana acres, Netobiana, Diana, can he be no Nanka 1 acre of land? Ususuna 100 by 100. A 4 plots and a man 1 acre. Say, no, come year 80 by 70, no money, Yama. And yes, an acre of land is between 5 to 6 plots.
Wow.
Now, multiply, assuming it's even 4 plots per an acre, multiply it by 900. It gives you over around 3,600 plots. If it's 5 plots per acre, and 7 plots per acre, multiply it also by 900. You are looking at between 4,500 to 6,300 plots of land.
Yeah.
And Professor said, no, now, when CSIR board of Lancashire, the person we are investigating, and I'm afraid of previous directors, they have a history on this. One more loan. Now, CSIR, one more budget here. And I'm going to loan. And I'm going to try 200 acres. I said, the poor and more, and co. Now, the account, one member over him. And go for Master, main gate at one. Main gate, I said, you were transport to the TNO.
How much?
Now, I can't said you travel more. I can't academy. I said, well, not a chief of me.
Yes, assassin, how much? Okay.
And comfort driving through the main gate with the multi-patrons and near a big crowd, the machines back. Near big trust, so near that is it. One will go post for the bar, a reality not go for the Janico. And you may know my back, and they start building. As a time I go, veterinary clinic. She said they're best flow in your money, but CSR for your money, and so if you move normal mind, get that price. High stock, no money, yes, you did no name. Veterinary clinic, you could do, no. Clinic inside you, they left. Ubi travel. They right. Ubi travel. They cheat the Ubi die. They never so doctors in the Fadia corner. And upon yet to go. Now, I want to fresh foundation. Also, I feel office. To set the multimedia for office no one. Well, maybe I'm opposite to Adom 1.
Yeah.
Son and Professor is overlooking CSR for main office. Now, against the background said, yeah, Momo, CSR for notice. Yes, see a corporal. Yeah, my body notices the town. Now, maybe you for so before they say that to me was who called Local Government Act 2016 at 936, Section 97. And my assembly to me, say, will die or you structure or you be unauthorized. Assembly no was actually so without going to court. They have the mandate to do so. And upon that class, the Regional Security Council, of which I am the chairman, and your regional minister, the Regional Security Council, we moved in yesterday to support the Adenta Assembly to carry out the exercise. Now, the idea, the exercise was carried out within the 200 acre in the inner perimeter of the 200 acres of land.
Okay, Honorable, I want to metiasia the anese 200 acre no majihono. And when moya exercise, and when moya demolition.
Inside.
Right.
Now, there's a conflicting report. My friend, I'm in church. If they do maybe no, the uncle for you and say, original from the site, and they started building for them.
Oh, okay.
A few of those houses now a war. Inside, I'm going to say, we the entire, but and those ones were affected. But other than that, mainly the operations was to check and remove, demolish buildings within the 200 acres of land that has been fenced.
Okay, by the CSIR.
Yes.
Okay, right.
And again, the land was acquired by executive instruments by government.
Okay.
For CSIR.
Honorable, and to me, patrol.
The Alodia owners they pay compensations.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Because for any, we'll bring you all the documents so that you see it for yourself. But I want to say that a lot of people have had experiences about multiple sale of land, about this, of any movement here, conference here, and yeah, by assassin. And against your hana say down also. Now we want to protect it. Because a bit of people can move into say Ghana broadcasting. You can't move. People can move into Accra Girls. You can't move. People can move into Accra Academy. You can't move. You can build. Are we going to encourage that?
Honorable, Auntie, me patrol about how many houses na mo demolish wo?
I'm here to get a full report.
Okay.
From the security people who went on the ground.
No, but
I'll be careful not to speak, not to mention a number.
Okay, but you are in the video. You were there.
Sorry.
But you are in the video. You were there. Me who was video ma what pick up echi ananyawa.
Your question was how many houses?
Yeah. But you are yet to get in because you were there. And at least you saw it for yourself.
Who a producer? And I would you will produce as also but the reports. The reports and the boss also ever had the Akasa. It's so one day official reports.
Okay.
At the back at respect level.
Right.
You would then say, those things.
Okay.
So means no yet.
Right. And honorable or more demolition or more structure see there is no compensation for them.
Radio Adom, I'm not sure about you. And the to find now anyway, so West Protect. Oh, yes, we have found so what it is. And then go for problem see dying. What can near to near a bow with you now?
And yes, you were honorable. Beyond the say my demolition, most of the times you want demolition be say, but land no yen secure ne da ho base and ankrofo ya koso. And what is the next line of action?
Well, to the best of my knowledge, CSR for start here. And we know that they have good use for it because you have cocoa and then she set I don't know me. It's an associate program and just set you a CDC nine. Because almost here, baby, I am cocoa, almost here, baby, I say, almost here, baby, I am in. So they need a vast land as well. And you know, there's a block. But at the end of the day, the discussion is theirs. So you hear the but me give you say mucha home the only inside should be their business. But main for be soon to get.
Yeah.
Over 900 acres now has been encroached upon. We want to make a strong recommendation to the Ministry for Land and Natural Resources. Now, CSR for here, a Franco, I am regularizing the money and more. Other penny, in fear there were on a dosso. My name is about 3,000 houses. And you know, frankly speaking, it will be inhumane to go say, I could do judgment to go. But rather, maybe I yet to know. We want to make a recommendation, sir. Yeah, regularizing the moon. No, the panel will be ready to over there. At least then it closes the matter.
Mate Honorable, my emphasis on the end was why we wish you well. But before I will be the message about Facebook, or Mimbisa Honorable Dabena or come back to Sakumono Ramsey site.
Honestly, about this year, the answer will be actually you. Oh, yeah, Ramsey may call 1 year back. If you remember, you catch along. Who you say me call year? Over 200 houses have come up.
Wow.
Now, we are in Castle. Who call her say, hey, you see, so sometimes it's a bit of fracture. It may mean that you are a patient over here, ma'am. You want to do you took fire. You took fire. We respect every bit of the laws outside this country. Why is it that we cannot respect our own laws? And just because he rams away, Adam a call, maybe engineer no problem. Master, you see, from that one, you know, also, because Obibeka said, now then, assembly 42 on normal engineer, and every time you go, you know, and you know, I also be beside if you know what baby and do we have the support of the public to say, and they are any media who they always say compensation. Depending in slow, see that I will so. Now, flood, the day. Munina, they are check this idea. A bedroom, maybe, since so particular, the whole account is of next to. As I said, at Hana, yes, enough, you plan any home. When you say what land do, say you no. Always a common one answer. Unya hoa, Modia Monfa Kamancote. Say, Sakumon Lancasa Casano, and almost city for Angel Messino. Now, almost seen it, and soon they free, every Edebano. Edinamino, Adia Kopiachi, Odinama, now the Faholo, now Copunum, and you sit down for as in Sota, a shaman. It to be flooded. Adekoyo, it to be flooded. Even East Lake will be flooded. So, well, you are 20 years in the next 5-10 years in Soto. And I just hear you know, I believe baby. That's it.
Honorable, we wish you well. Why?
Thank you.
So for the Greater Accra Regional Minister, and also a member of Parliament, I was so Central Constituency, Honorable Henry Cote, and I would say in Canada. Messages about Facebook. I say, Asempa, good morning. In fact, all regional ministers should emulate the example of the Greater Accra Regional Minister. He's a solid man, and indeed, we should all rally support behind him to do the do. I'll say, okay, this one says Asempa, I am shishio, but we need to do it the way we have to do it. Otherwise, this country will turn into something else. And we say, who sold the land to them at all in the first place? God help Ghana. I say, Asempa, I pray he can sack those who are paying to check for this not to happen. The engineers must go. Okay, me that say. And Messi, okay, I'll say, I am Shishia Semben Kureni. I am now Bino Abdul Nas. I'll say, all the regional ministers should be bold to do same. We see my heart is broken. In fact. Asempa, look at the woman in the video carrying the baby. Where will she sleep? Asemo, I also sympathize because in home I mean no crane bar no ne. It is well. We say he's bold and firm in his decision, and we need set people to rule Ghana. And I will say, Asempa, indeed, is a sad one. Look at some of the houses, plush houses, pioneer. Alexander Konedu, oh, my own Alexander. Lexis, good morning. I'll say, great job. Lexis, good morning. I salute you, the solar man. Well, I'm not going here. So daily graphics today.
Asempa, daily graphic, I didn't have a man of pay. So, come on, ye, Edaha. Na bulldozer kese bi da ha ya tro anim no shantui na me na me bi sa shantui
also bulldozer ya friend
shantui shantui aha o ti shantui ase I say ya gan kasa ja me hu ya na me bi sa almost ashima koma so bulldozer no
shantui ni just ashe oh okay
na atema koma enti eno ne bulldozer na omode call CSR no.
Oh, okay.
No mdi ko jigu ye no. Santri.
And as that Timakoma. Any are you a Santri?
It is Hannah was I would say Hannah na. I'm saying Kobani Podi didn't na so you careful but say ya but yes be uncle campo pa any cherry. Until yana yen so say you twana mono and then the besi on can hand more dying high and board den no. One way ya baby do be ko no emwa. It be so yana ya may ni ada ho ye pa. Asempa me fan kwa kratafa etoso miensa. Eno akwa ne yadi mu nkomo yi enti ma me for katafatu so dunsia wo daily graphic mu na yen hyen koma eda ha sa enra won koma wudi na no payi woni onmunyafo abena osaya sare deputy minister for finance na emu nkobo no na speaker a direct committees mienu wo mrase wo fie so munye hwehwemu ya no finance na health committee so munye hwehwemu na ye hunu enkrata receipt ahodo ya ban no wa de be kire ese ebia covid-19 sika ba ye no abcd ne eto ho krata ne enti committee na adwuma so mo be ye e de ama oman no na ye hunu akuntabu papa eno so e wo ahase pa na gj so no wo se campaign no emu ayese
ya emu ayese
ya kwasi agima
jeremo pa ya general secretary
enti pacha wo ye journalist with good standing na
ya to abama kwasi agima general secretary general secretary
as far as the general
no
secretary
no size kwasi be winning yeah kwasi be winning
all the best to him
but I'm against one of the candidates for president they can want them but kwasi agima be winning the general secretary there I mean there's somebody I was distinguishing who ye adwuma no tiase on him. And to be a general secretary of GJA, we cannot have any other person like Kwesi Agyeman.
Okay.
Obewini. Let's all for me who listen so amodi aba radin crofon chichemo.
Yeah, so members.
Crofon chichemo.
Omo chese campaign no asase. Na bi kasa asa the GJA elections we mo ye din ase ente ho asem papa.
Ba. Yeah, DM ti ase e bo ho de ro.
Some for do egu kro we mu no.
Yeah.
a handful and
members of the Ghana Journalists.
No, because JJ na kasa ne sebe no mdi gwa kwabu okrompo ni we obetua ne diusu dia fa. And as a won't you diusu so up to date. Na che say wonni good standard betumi akoto abani.
Abna we yes aka set yam because me am member of good standard.
And na ye kan one won't no measures baby krompa na bia JJ fo yi no any media organizations awodo e terms. Aye say bia ansampo na wakatua beba no ni ate diusu krompo dia free mu. Ni nyina no ye avenues a betumi explore.
But me nim say kwasi agema we ni asa nhye ne nyina beba. Me yenchia Maxwell Kudeko. Maxwell Kudeko, our Kofordia, Maxwell Kudeko. Maxwell, opposition is still returning, and I say the Maxwell Kudeko, the Eastern Regional, yes, GJA president, Maxwell Kudeko, solid guy. Yeah, too about now. Oh, yeah, member of good standing. Oh.
After me ko hen krata, but didn't buy the name the
But then I can't say I'm real who say. Oh, you're member of Gusta.
I never been a make a choice. I didn't buy the name. Therefore, me petition. Number one, you are Mobeka. It's the one some that I'm a patch of the banana or hand Mobaka, pay my bias. Or request Yajima, not the Cobohine, Quasiajima. Aspiring General Secretary. Yeah. Now, I Quasi Ajima, Tomano, and what or Bojuma Quasiajima, no size. He's a cool guy.
No size. Slow but sure. Obey deliver. Of course. Sure to deliver.
Of course. It's yeah.
It is well.
Okay. Intino, my main quay. Me de ko daily guide.
Okay, daily guide.
Na ya shani masaya so ahu ya se enra ukopia mu secondary takwade ne potamu a asempa ya se ensuo yira ma school fon kwada akra kaya no
ya sebo me hu nkrofo mo gine taxis so
ensuo ni sase awia no miensa.
Wow.
Kodura na dwene wotwe nyina na nsuo to.
Na serious o.
Nsuo yire e ma che se kwankra nipa binom be fa so kra kofie no na ya asem kese e. Enti no San Friday asem a ye kan no eye hu o. Na se panyefo ampene kapa no ma hwe ne tutu a ya so ya ebe ye free enkran ha se no na kwakoto ogu mantaba hodo na asa se ye witness yi enti eno no so eho asem ewo eye delegate abokrata no anim hanom wo mo cha so kwa wod ma communities ahodo na eso no eyire fa wo mo na ni nyina mo no omo se ajapade ahodo bebre na so ya cha se millions of cities na ni nyina so no eho aka ya asai na omo se communities bit se banchi ase asaka
ma ahwefo mo bra Facebook na mo be chat wow.
That's what you
just I'm cast in now.
Cast in now.
In the Ukraine was on a cash and prefer taxis or most CFM. Our multi taxi in a pempem train. Oh, but that's serious.
It was serious.
Wow.
It was serious. And you know, Yenima. And so China the number so my way by a menu say I recorded BB to say ye. I won't put one more pain.
Hey, a whole 207 and see how fun I sano.
Aye. So na amne ne sa no.
Wow.
Sa.
You have to clad for bread.
O ma bread. She na o mo che say a school for the crumpo no borders back school back St Mary's Boys. Yes it dey anybody say am man ko. Ya mo man ko because of the na enso no ye no. Omo so no mo epeso omo cross nya.
School call on na gina ha no. Well my Facebook. I'm say about Facebook I be school call on get your mother.
Yes, you na so ebi no de omo koye. Esa say na say den so da na ehu. Enti second takra de so emu amane eno no. Na me patro ma me fa we enwie na o say aban no 2 billion Ghana cedis. Any sika aban no e de bo COVID-19 ho bra. Yera kenoforiata ena de ensemu etudwa na attorney general so na to be the money era okujeto abla kwasamo eno so ho asem eda ha asempa ma mefa wonwie why na ye hwehwe ho na yenko yanim da se
abla bogwa hene asem Drake